At Parker Anderson, fun comes first, and Lego Robotics is fun.
What starts this thing?
STEM. When educators talk about STEM classes, they mean classes that combine science, technology, engineering, and math, and emphasizes the application of knowledge to real-life situations. At Parker Anderson Enrichment, STEM means Legos.
It's too long. Got it.
When they build a simple machine, they are learning about basic engineering.
They want the big gear to spin the small one, right? So why not just have this big gear spin that small one?
Because that one gives more power to this one?
That's right. So do you guys know what 48 divided by 8 is? 6, that's right. So for every one spin that this big gear takes, this small gear takes six spins.
Lego education is the path we take young students down. It leads to Lego Robotics and Lego Robotics tournaments.
Parker Anderson has been coaching a few robotics teams in Glendale for the past, I believe, 4 years. And the last 2 years, we are the reigning champs. We've won the last 2 championships.
When a young student starts one of our Lego builds, they first learn the importance of following directions step by step, which can actually be fun.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
So about go right here.
Right there, that's perfect. Right in the center, right in the middle.
Got it.
And what better way to understand basic technology concepts than by building one of the many Lego builds and motorizing it.
And we're gonna use a rubber band, and it's gonna cause tension, which is gonna allow your
And then
burst
you gotta do the motor. That'll make it run by itself.
Figuring out gears and speed of motion takes math. How best to learn these concepts than by having fun?
These are the materials that we use to compete in those tournaments. Now they call it a caster ball because it's just like a car, but what it's designed to do is to complete certain missions that you program into it and then return to where it started from.
3, 2, 1, and go.
When students are grounded enough in the basic STEM concepts and have built the many Lego build projects, they get into the math portion when they program a robot they have created.
Now since we're turning backwards, it's taking us farther away from the spot.
I just need to go further.
So now we can go do some changes on our programming, and then we'll run it again and we'll see if that works.
Our robotics tournaments, much like the work at NASA and JPL, require many attempts to get things right, which means a lot of reprogramming, a lot of trial and error, and inspiring teamwork. And they have a lot of fun doing it.
We have to go a little bit higher on the road, so we have 11 rotations.
So like 13?
So why don't we change it to 13? Let's see what happens there. And oh!
So I would need to just maybe go a little bit further?
Yes, we'd go change the programming, add a little bit of a distance, and then ideally that'd be perfect.
Parker Anderson Lego Robotics is fun, rewarding, and gives students a chance to learn by doing the best way.
Look at what you built.
Cool.